Now, this whole idea is called open hiring. And believe me, I know it's at the far end of the spectrum from what we've been taught in traditional business. But I want to give you a case study of how it works. There's a retail store called the Body Shop that you may know from some malls. They sell bath and body products, and they tried open hiring for their store associates. And so what they did is they only asked three questions of anybody who wanted a job. They said, "Are you legal to work in the US? Can you stand on your feet for 8 hours? And can you lift up to 50 pounds?" And if you answered yes to all three of these questions, you would get a job. It was first come, first served. So the first person to apply was the first one to get the next opening. And they just rolled through the list. And they did it on a pilot basis. And the stores who piloted this open hiring approach for the Body Shop actually saw really amazing outcomes compared to the stores that didn't. Specifically, 60% lower turnover for seasonal employees and increased productivity of 13%, which is huge. Now, why is it that these people were less likely to leave, let alone be more productive? Well, in my experience, what I found is when I hired people who were in a really tough place in life, who were getting passed over for jobs, when I gave them an opportunity, they were super grateful for that position. I also found that these people were really looking to make a positive change in their life, and they were ultra motivated internally to do better at their job. And when I treated them humanely and gave them a chance, they would work harder and longer for me than anybody else. And I think that's what the Body Shop found as well. By the way, the time to hire is reduced 80%, which makes sense because you're not asking any crazy questions. So if you need people right away, this is a great way to do it. And hiring costs get reduced 93% because we're not doing background checks. We're not spending a bunch of time calling people. So the results are real, even if the idea can seem a little out there. But for the green industry, I believe that it's possible.